everyone! If you drive a Toyota Prius, you've probably noticed a big gear on your shifter and wondered, what is it? Is it for boost? Is it some secret power mode? Let's clear it up once and for all. To apply big gear, you have to shift to D-gear first, then you're able to move to big gear. When should you use big gear? Going down long, steep hills. Use it when you're driving down a mountain or a long hill. It helps prevent your brakes from overheating by letting the engine slow the car instead. The B in your Prius gear selector stands for brake, specifically engine braking. It's not the same as your brake pedal. It doesn't activate your brake lights. Instead, it uses the engine. To slow the car down when you take your foot off the accelerator, think of it like downshifting. In a traditional car, it helps control your speed without riding the brakes. The gear is also useful in rainy or slippery downhill roads when you want better control without braking hard. But remember, it's not a substitute for normal brakes. Just an assist when gravity is working against you. Don't use it all the time. It's not for daily driving on flat roads or city traffic. Using B mode on flat ground won't charge your battery more, and it may slightly reduce fuel efficiency. So, the B gear in your Prius is your best friend on long downhill drives, keeping you safe, protecting your brakes, and giving you more control. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've ever used B gear before. Thanks for watching, and drive safe!